Coming to say good morning.
Look at that, Jay. Isn't that cool?
Why does it have lip stuff on it?
That's its body. That's its body. Do you see the little one, Jay? That is so cool. Hello, Mama and baby. Yeah, it did have a twig in it.
Yeah.
It's building its nest.
Yeah.
Teaching the baby. Aww. It did. The train scared the mommy and the baby. That is awesome. Are you ready to go now? Okay, guys.
No, like every time I try it.
Hi, buddy.
Oh, friend's coming. Friends, no!
No!
Leave back up.
He's like, oh my god, what are you? You know, after we touch them, we gotta wash our hands.
Wash it. Yeah, wash it on the grass. So cool. Yes, you are so cool. Thanks for showing us you. So, what are we going to write about today? Did you guys wash him on the grass?
I didn't touch it.
Oh, okay. He's pretty slimy. That's why I was trying to get them not to touch him, but okay, let's go. What are you going to write about today? What'd you see?
Whoa!
Yeah, he's pretty cool, huh? Jaden, was that cool? Yeah?
And I saw 2 bags and a beaver.
And a beaver. We did see the beaver again.
One
What?
beaver. I saw 1 beaver and 1 frog and two bags.
Yes. This is Jaden. Jaden, want to say hi?
Hi.
This is your first time in our video. This is my granddaughter. That's my daughter Clarissa. That's her little daughter.
I'm 6 years old, turning 7.
Yes, your birthday's real soon.
Oh my gosh.
What's he doing?
Jaden's fruit snack fell in my pocket, so he's being Naruto. I'm going to go rescue it.
Does he know where it is?
No, he knows where it is.
I got it.
He said to me, are you going to pretend it never happened? I'm like, what, the frog thing? He goes, no, Jay's fruit snack fell out of your pocket. I'm like, what, then is in my pocket? He goes, no, it's right there. And I'm like, it's like, I'll get it.
Safe of the fruit snacks. So that's Clarissa, and yes, she likes to lose things.
I don't purposely do it, it just happens.
Okay, let's go. We gotta catch up to Grandma. I can't believe Grandma's ahead of us.
When I first
Grandma,
saw it,
no.
I thought it was a mouse. And then I was like, that's big to be a mouse. Oh my god, what is, oh my god, it's a frog.
That was pretty cool, huh?
That's the first time. What the hell?
No.
Yeah, I know. We're past it now. I don't know what it is.
Oh, it's a frog.
Yes.
It's awesome.
Awesome. Come on, Brody. Let's go.
Toads are big.
Come on, Brody.
They have different texture on their skin.
Wow, Grandma's way ahead, you slow pokes. No, she's way ahead. I can see her. I can see her up there. My 76-year-old mom and Matthew are up there. They walk faster than them. Come on, let's go.
Now my fault, Brody's laughing.
Don't blame on Brody. Brody's following you.
Alright, I'm down to the run. 1, 3.
So you never know what you're going to get when you go in nature and you take a hike. And if you would like to watch more of our videos, hey guys, what should they do if they want to watch more of our videos?
Like, subscribe, and comment down below.
Subscribe and share.
like, subscribe, and share. And sure, you can leave us a comment down below. From Clarissa, Jaden, Loki, Fenris, Brody, come on.
More wild creatures.
Yeah, wild creatures. Come on. Come on, let's go. Grandma, Matt, and me. And Daddy's not here. Next time on Hippie Family Fun.